My name is Munuvolu, and I am from Kohima, Nagaland, from the northeastern state. Came here 3 months ago with the aim to explore more on the creative side. I am originally from computer science background, and I have always wanted to explore my creativity, whether it's in career or hobbies. So I'm here, and I got to know about Designers Academy through Google search. There are a lot of design courses out there, but through the reviews and through the Instagram posts, through the YouTube videos, I got to know that this was right for me. Since they had quality courses, my experience have been here have been so far so good, and my mentor, my fellow friends, I've been learning a lot from them as well, and so far the experience has been really good.